Recently, I posted a video about wanting a new diesel truck. And a lot of people were really confused as why would buy a diesel pickup in 2023 when diesel fuel is so expensive and when you can buy a gas truck that would do everything better and cheaper. So that got me thinking, let's get into this and see if a diesel truck really is that much more expensive than a gas truck. First of all, we're going to be basing this on a $10,000 budget, and we're going to be basing this on driving 10,000 miles a year. I don't drive my vehicles that much, so 10,000 miles will easily cover me for the year. So first things first, let's get started with a 6.0 Power Stroke. I think I can get a 6.0 Power Stroke to get about 18 miles to the gallon if I drive it very nicely. So based on our 10,000 miles a year, we're going to use about 555.6 gallons of diesel fuel in a year, and around me, diesel fuel is about $4.50 a gallon. So that brings us out to $2,500.20 just in diesel fuel. Now we're going to change our oil twice in that 10,000 miles. So we're going to have $60 times 2 plus an oil filter at $20 times 2 for maintenance costs, plus an additional $40 for fuel filters. That brings our total cost to drive a 6.0 Power Stroke for 10,000 miles to $2,700.20. So we're going to compare that to about a 2008 to 2010 Ford F-150 with the 5.4 Triton V8. Now, these trucks, I know from personal experience, get about 13 miles to the gallon. Now, based on our 10,000 miles a year, we're going to use about 769.23 gallons of gas in that year. And around me, gas is about $3.50 a gallon. So that's going to cost us $2,692.31. Change our oil twice that year. It's going to cost us about $30 for oil, about $15 for an oil filter, and another $15 for a fuel filter one time that year. That brings our total cost for a 5.4 V8 Triton gas motor to $2,797.30. That means the gas truck costs more to run than the 6.0 Power Stroke does. Now, are these within rounding error? Yes, they are. But, if you want to make that argument that diesel trucks are better, that argument has a very valid point. Now, plus, I think diesel trucks are a lot of fun to drive. They just make fun spoolie turbo noises, and they can last considerably longer than a gas truck before they need rebuilt and a major overhaul. So let me know what you guys think down below. Is it worth buying a diesel pickup in 2023, or are gas pickups the way to go? Let me know down below, and thanks for watching. Enjoy.